Awesome. So, welcome guys dito sa ating day 1 ng 5-day Facebook Ads Challenge. Let's officially open this discussion, and then I'll be giving you guys the course outline kung ano ba yung matututunan nyo in the next 5 days. For some of you guys here are already a bit of intermediate or advanced na siya. Maybe it's a bit boring for some of you here yung lessons sa day 1 kasi probably you already have a business manager in place. Okay? And just this, kumbaga, for the sake of everyone na wala pang business manager, we will be giving them a chance to create their own business manager. All right? Okay ba sa atin yon? So, again, magkakaiba po tayo ng learning curve. So yung iba sa inyo dito is a bit of advanced. So probably hindi magme-make sense sa inyo, or probably you can still coupon code is invalid. Junior B11. May space po kayo siguro, Ma'am Catherine. May space po yung ano nyo. Check nyo kung may space. Let me know guys if you guys are having a hard time using the promo code. Okay, kasi yung iba naman nagamit nila. Okay? Coach, only access po ba yung Save Online course? Yes, Ma'am Rialyn Rivera. You can still go back to the previous recordings lifetime. Okay? So, walang problema doon. Wala tayong problema. And I'll be sharing my screen, and let's go to my mahiwagang Canva. Okay? By the way, guys, my name is Clarence. Okay, you have 3 months technical support dito sa Telegram GC. And ang support na magkukuha nyo sa Telegram GC is message lang, text and voice message. If you guys want to get specific or kumbaga ma-address ko yung questions nyo, use a Loom video on how your kung ano ba yung na-encounter nyo na problem sa business manager nyo, kung may specific questions po kayo, then by all means use the Loom video. Just go to go to this website, Loom. Create an account. Free naman yung loom.com. Create a free account and you can use it for free. Then kung may questions kayo specifically sa business manager, please do not send me a screenshot of the problem. Make sure to record a Loom video para po ma-address ko po ng mas maayos yung tanong po ninyo sa Telegram GC. Please do not send me a screenshot kasi I won't be able to diagnose the problem if it's just a screenshot ng problema na na-encounter po ninyo. Okay? Okay ba tayo doon? Then, yung course outline po natin in the next 3 days is this one. Okay, what's inside this live training? Day 1, which is today, we're going to be talking about the business setting overview. Again, for some of you guys have already a business manager in place. Maybe this topic is a little bit boring para sa inyo, but for some of you here na wala pang business manager, this is for them para magkaroon sila ng business manager. Let me know guys in the chat kung sino po dito ang wala pang business manager. Type 0 kapag wala pang business manager. Type 0 dito sa chat box. Si Ma'am Rebecca, Charlene, Maximo, 0, Dennis. Ayan, madami-dami tayong 0, meaning wala pa talaga silang business manager. Kayo po ba yung nag-type ng 0 ay using computer or PC or laptop? Because if you're on mobile, you're not gonna be able to I'm not gonna be able to use or I'm not gonna be able to help you create your own business manager. Si Ma'am Rebecca po is nasa computer, nasa laptop si Sir Dennis. All right, since si Ma'am Rebecca ang unang message, then we will use Ma'am Rebecca's account to use as a guinea pig for today's lesson. Okay? Okay ba yun sa'yo, Ma'am Rebecca? Alright, kapangalan nyo pa yung aking mother, Rebecca. Yon, so madami po tayong anong tawag dito? Ma'am Catherine, please use this promo code. Magkaiba po ang promo code po ng 5-day ng Junior Strategist sa 5-day challenge. Okay, is Business Manager the same with Meta Business Suite? Sir Dixon, I'll be giving you that. I'll be giving an answer to your question today. Okay? Yon, for those of you guys na nagkakaroon pa rin ng problema, just message us doon sa Telegram GC. Okay? Yung mga wala pa sa Telegram GC, nabigay ko na yung link sa taas. Message us or message me. I'll give you the necessary assistance. All right? So day 1, business settings overview. Day 2 is gonna be understanding the different campaign objectives and the Facebook auction. All right? So that you'll have a broad or the understanding how it works. Paano ba binibid or paano ba kinukonsume ni Facebook ang inyong budget? All right? In the course of this lesson, preferably I'll be answering all the questions sa dulo para at least magkaroon po tayo ng mabilis na discussion. Day 3, different campaign setup. All right? I'll be showing you how to set up your campaigns from scratch, from start to finish. All right? Using the messaging campaign. Day 4, understanding the Facebook ads metrics. All right? You're gonna learn how to analyze the data and yung kumbaga yung metrics na kailangan yung ayusin or computein para at least meron kayong decision making on how you're gonna be able to scale or stop the campaigns. And day 5, I'm gonna be teaching you guys the ultimate Facebook ads calculator para hindi po kayo nasusunugan ng budget sa inyong campaigns. Okay ba yun? Alright, so for this training, I'll be calling out Ma'am Rebecca. And I'm gonna let you share your screen para mabigyan kita ng assistance on how you're gonna be able to create the business manager from scratch. All right, Ma'am Rebecca, you can now share your screen. Okay. Go ahead, ma'am. Nabigyan lang kita ng multiple sharing participants screen share. Ma'am Rebecca, okay ka ba dyan? Let us know in the chat box. Share yung FB ko po ba niyan, yung i-share, yung punta ka dito ma'am sa Zoom, click share screen para magawan po kita ng business manager. Okay? I-share po nyo yung Facebook business manager po ninyo. Yung Facebook profile po ninyo para magawan ko kayo ng business manager. Okay? Can you do it for us? Okay, if you're having trouble, let us know. Yes, go ahead, Ma'am Rebecca. Sir, pass mo na, sorry. Okay. Sino ang gusto na gagawa natin ng business manager? Yung kaninang nag-zero, si Sir Christopher Garcia. Yes, go ahead, Sir Christopher. Share your screen and then I'm gonna let you create your own business manager. Okay?
Okay, sandali lang, sir.
Sige pa.
My whole desktop now.
Yes. Whole desktop, yeah. Okay, do not move your mouse. I'm gonna be the one to control your screen. Approve nyo muna yung aking request. Okay.
Approve
So,
na, sir.
open system settings. Click mo yan. Yung sa taas. Yes. Kasi hindi, naka-Mac ka yata or naka-Apple eh.
Yeah,
Tapos yung app, yung Zoom, i-enable mo po siya. Yes. And
Okay.
then, put your password. Okay. Okay, there you go. Let me control your screen if I'm going to be able to control it. Yes, there you go. Okay. I'm gonna...
Ang anak ko to, meron na siya, pero hindi ko maintindihan eh. So, I want to understand it.
Okay. I'm gonna remove everything here first para hindi po tayo magulo in terms of yan. So ito mukhang meron ka naman na, but let's see. So for those of you guys na mag-create pa lang ng business manager, okay, type business Facebook. Saan yan? Ba't hindi ako makatype? Naghang yata. Teka lang. Doon sa browser niyo, type business.facebook.com/create. Okay? Yan po yung itatype nyong URL sa inyong browser, no? business.facebook.com/create. Okay? And then, let's see if you have business already. And then you'll see something like this. Excuse me. And then what you're gonna do is create an account. And then type the business name that you want here, Sir Christopher. It doesn't mean kung wala ka pang mayor's permit and etc., pwede mo nang gamitin ito. Okay?
Any name lang, no? Pwede naman ito later, coach?
Pwedeng
Or-
i-change yan later. Pwedeng palitan ng name yan.
Okay,
Okay,
sabihin
just
na lang
type the name yung gusto mong business. Wag mo namang sample. Any business name that you have in mind right now. Yep. Barley Distribution Biz siguro, B-I-Z.
B-I-Z.
Yan. Yung B is malaki. Letter B. Yan. Yep. And then, do not move your mouse. I'll gonna make sure na yung email na ilalagay mo dito is the same email dapat na nandito nakalagin. Okay? So, or the same email na ginamit mo nung sign in ka sa Facebook. Ito ba yung CB Garcia? Please log in your email po dito sa kabilang tab, sir.
Email.
Yes.
Dali
Sige lang po.
Ikot pa yung ano yun. Yun.
Mukhang hang. Google Chrome, would you like to use Bluetooth? Bakit Bluetooth? Don't allow. Hindi natin kailangan ng Bluetooth. Check natin dito. Gmail account.
Yahoo account yata yung ginagamit ko para sa
Sa Facebook.
Sa Facebook. Yeah.
Okay. Guys, this is for everyone. Sa lahat po ng Yahoo users, malamang sa malamang is magkaedad po tayo or mas matanda po kayo sa akin. Utang na loob po, gamitin nyo ang Gmail ngayon. Pag nag-create kayo ng business manager, use the Gmail account kasi mahihirapan kayo mag-integrate ng mga apps in the future kapag Yahoo po ang ginamit po ninyo. Make sure po na Gmail ang gagamitin nyo kapag ilalagay nyo po yung email address po nyo dito. Okay? So, it's okay now Yahoo ang ginamit mo sa Facebook profile mo, but for your business account, use the Gmail address. Is it okay if you sign in CB Garcia na to?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sige. Go ahead, sign in. I'll be stop sharing your screen for your security naman. Sige.
Sandali
Sige po.
Password ko. Ano nga ba password ko dito? Wait lang.
Sige po. You can forget your password. Pwede naman.
Meron ako niyan Wait lang.
Sige lang po. Ganun po talaga, naintindihan ko po. Nagkakaedad po tayo para-pareho.
Nagkakaedad na. Right.
So, hindi ko nasasabihin yung edad ko. Baka malamang sa malamang magkaedad tayo. Kasi nakayaho ko pa eh. So, yan.
So, ibig sabihin 50 plus ka na?
Hindi naman.
50 plus.
Pero going there na rin siguro mga couple of years pa.
Kapasok na ako.
Sige, yon. Share your screen, sir, para at least magkaroon po tayo ng babigyan kita ng magandang business manager. All right. So, I'm gonna control your screen again, your desktop. Do not move your mouse, and I'm gonna check if that's the correct email address. Okay. Now, please input place here the Gmail address. Okay. And do not submit. I'm gonna be the one to click to submit. Guys, make sure na yung email ninyo ay naka-open sa another tab. Bakit? Kasi kapag you are using a different browser, let's say, yung Facebook nyo nakalagin sa Google Chrome, tapos yung email nyo ay nakalagin doon sa Microsoft Edge, the moment you click the verification or verifying your email, it won't work because you have the different user browser. Okay, Facebook will tag you as a different user, and then probability na hindi gagana yung verification po ninyo. So make sure na before nyo i-click yung submit button, na ilagay nyo na yung email address dito kasi papasok yun dito sa social tab. Hindi yun yung minsan pumapasok sa primary, madalas dito sa social tab pag nag-Gmail account kayo. Okay? Now, click submit button, Sir Christopher. Okay? And click done. All right? Okay? Then, ito yung Meta Business Suite na makikita nyo automatically mare-redirect po kayo dito. Ang pagkakaiba po ng Meta Business Suite, ginagamit po ito sa social media postings. Ginagamit po ito madalas ng social media managers. If you want to use the Ads Manager, I'm gonna be creating one for you today para yun po yung gagamitin nyo. Tinatawag din po siyang Power Editor or Ads Manager. Okay, so what you're gonna do is click your inbox dito sa tab, and then you're gonna look for social tab para makita mo yung confirm your email address on top. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give up the remote control access, and you'll be the one to click the link para at least hindi ma-check ni Facebook na someone is controlling your screen kasi magkaiba tayo ng IP address. So click mo yung confirm email, your business email, Sir Christopher.
This one?
Yes, that one. Click that one.
Okay.
And then confirm now.
Okay. Confirm.
Okay? Now, automatically, mapupunta kayo sa business manager po ninyo. I'll be getting a remote control again. Okay? And then just approve, and then I'm gonna remove this tab sa taas. Okay? Meta Business Suite is only or madalas ginagamit sa social media, marketing, postings. If you want to organize or schedule your post, this is the best place to go to. If you want to respond to messages, click inbox. Dito po siya mapupunta. Alright? Nandito po lahat ng messages po ninyo. But if you want to create an ad, you should go to Business Manager. Alright? Now, what I'm gonna do is head over to Add Accounts, and then I'm gonna create Add Account. Create a new Add Account, and then I'm gonna create, let's say, Barley Biz Ads. Okay? And then, GMT plus 8 po tayo, Asia Manila. And then just change the currency to peso. Okay, let me find the peso. There you go. And then click next. Select my business. Click create. And then you're gonna need to select your own name and then manage ad accounts. Click assign. And then mamaya na tayo maglalagay ng payment info. Close ko muna yan and exit. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head over to pages. Click add. And then you need to add the page here, Sir Christopher.
Ano to? Ano ita-type ko dito, sir?
Yung name po ng page po na gusto nyo i-add dito.
Na, ito. This one?
Yep. And then add page.
Gusto?
Yep.
Tubig lang.
Okay, and then I'm gonna click close. Do not move your mouse. And then Clarence Garcia. Akala ko ako. Clarence Hill kasi ako.
Anak ko yan, coach.
Anak mo ba? Pagkapangalan pa kami ng ano.
Oo.
pangalan
Kailan
kaya
babae
natin?
siya eh.
Babae ba?
Oo.
Pang babae din ang pangalan pala. So,
Oo.
I'm sure maganda yan. Clarence, ayan. So, yun. Yan, mukhang meron kang ano diyan kasamang ano, medyo nadi-distract lang tayo ng konti. I-mute mo muna yung ano mo sir, yung audio
Okay.
mo. Okay? Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to people and add myself here. Pa-mute po muna guys ha. Pa-mute po muna.
tayo ng pamper?
Meron
Mute,
naka-on, hindi sa akin yun.
mute all ko muna. Yan, okay. So what I'm gonna do is, saan ako? Ay, wait lang. Asa na? Na-remove yata. Wait lang, balik ako doon. .com. And kapag pupunta po kayo sa Business Manager, pag napunta kayo ng Meta Business Suite, ang i-click nyo lang po is All Tools. Tapos look for the Ads Manager. And then mapupunta po kayo dito. And then you're gonna look for your business here. Kapag nakikita nyo po yung pangalan nyo sa baba, ibig sabihin yon personal ad account po ninyo yon. Huwag nyo pong gagamitin yung personal ad account po ninyo sa pagraran po ng ads. Ang gagamitin po ninyo sa pagrun ng ads is yung business account. Bakit? Kasi kapag ka na-disable po ang personal ad account po ninyo, mahihirapan po kayo or hindi na po kayo makakapag-create ng business accounts. Okay, ibig sabihin po, if you run ads under your personal profile or yung personal ad account, Facebook will treat you as a person parang anong tawag dito? A beginner and you're not really serious about your business. But if you created the business account, even though nare-reject yung mga ads ninyo, Facebook will give you at least a leeway na anong tawag dito, mabigyan kayo ng mas maraming hits. Kung halimbawa, sa personal ad account nyo kasi madali kayong ma-flag. Okay, kapag lalo kung nasa MLM kayo or nasa health and wellness niche, madali kayong ma-flag dyan. And kapag na-flag po kayo dyan, hindi na kayo makapag-create ng business account. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is click the gear button o yung business settings na tinatawag. And then I'm gonna add myself here. For those of you guys here, I wanna know, type 1 kung sino dito ang aspiring media buyer. Type 1 sa chat box, aspiring media buyer or Facebook ad specialist or digital marketeer. Ayan, si Emil, si Maggie, Princess, Ezekiel, Karil, Alma, Benedict Chua, BANML. Okay, so for those na nag-type ng 1, this is beneficial for you guys because this is the same method na gagamitin nyo para makapag-gain kayo ng access sa mga clients nyo. Okay? What's the difference between media buyer and Facebook ad specialist? Pareho lang po, Ma'am Irish. Okay, it's just yung tawag doon sa sa specialty mo. Media buyer, ad specialist, digital marketeer, digital strategist, pare-pareho lang po 'yan. Okay? Type 2 naman guys, for those of you guys na merong sariling business. Type 2 dito, Team Inspire, si Rebecca, ang dami pala ng may business dito. So, include na natin yung business for you guys. Let's say, merong mga realtor dito, real estate agent, MLM, financial advisor, local business. Let's say, meron kang brick and mortar business. Ibig sabihin, meron kang physical store, e-com, yes. So, kasama na po yun dito, number 2. Okay, madami-dami tayo ng number 2. Yung number 1, okay din naman. Alright. So, this will be beneficial. Car industry, sige, pasok na natin sa number 2. Okay, agent. Yan, okay. So, this will be beneficial, guys, for you to be able to gain access or provide access. Ay, sana ako. Please share your screen, sir. para at least yung sa iyo pala yung sinishare ginagamit pa natin. Okay. Now I'm gonna gain access again para lang makita ko lang yung ano. Yon. And then this is the easiest way to gain access to someone's business manager account. All you need to do is to click people under the business settings, click invite people dun sa top right, itong blue button na to. Okay? And then I'm gonna put my email address here, gmail.com. And then click next. And then everything muna tayo. Don't worry, Sir Christopher, hindi kita i-hack. Click next. And then select the page that you want to manage. And then click everything. Click the invite button. Okay, and then done. The next thing that you're gonna do is assign assets sa taas. And then click the add accounts. Select the add account na kinreate natin kanina and then manage add accounts. Save changes. And then done. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head over to my email kasi I'll be receiving an email invite nung anong tawag dito nung invitation po ni Sir Christopher sa kanyang business. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head over sa social tab and then makikita ko dito na you've been invited to join Barley Distribution Base account. Click this one and then get started. Then continue with my name. And again, then I'm gonna put my name here. Continue, accept invitation. And then I'm gonna put my password. Obviously, I'm gonna stop sharing for my for security reasons. And then I'm gonna put my password. Make sure guys na yung mga password ninyo ay nasa notepad or nasa notebook po ninyo. Okay. Submit. Dahil baka kalimutin tayo, tumatanda na, dapat nakasulat po lahat ng password po ninyo sa notebook. Huwag nyo pong asahan yung mga pamangkin ninyo, mga anak ninyo na, Ineng, ano nga ulit yung password ko? Tumatanda na ako. So, make sure po na meron kayong directory po ng inyong password sa lahat po ng inyong business assets or yung online assets. Kasi yung business manager niyo po is an asset. Okay? You are running an actual business online. You have to protect yourself from any hacking event. Make sure na wag kayong anong tawag dito? Magsagot ng mga nagme-message po sa page ninyo na medyo may ang dating na-hack daw po ninyo yung account ninyo or na-restrict daw kayo ni Facebook. Hindi po nagme-message si Facebook sa page. Okay, hindi po ugali ni Facebook na mag-message sa page ninyo. Nag-notify po yun via email. And make sure due diligence na pag naka-receive kayo ng email, wag ninyong i-click basta-basta yung link po doon, utang na loob kasi pag iyon ay hindi galing sa tamang source o hindi galing kay Facebook, automatically mahahack po ang inyong account. Okay, magkakaroon ng bagong user po doon sa page po ninyo and then hindi nyo na makokontrol ang inyong page. Masaklap pa noon kung credit card ang nakalagay doon sa business ninyo, baka sumabog yung amount ng spend po ninyo na hindi nyo namamalayan. Okay? So do not click any link na sinesend po sa inyo sa page po ninyo. Alright, I'm gonna check. Okay, I have access already. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let you add the payment method, Sir Christopher. You're gonna need to share your screen back again so that you can add the payment method. Okay? What are you gonna do is click the add accounts sa baba ng pages sa left side, yes. Add accounts. Yan, sa baba ng pages. Yan. Okay? Click and then you're gonna see sa top right dun sa Open in Ads Manager, top right, meron dun inverted triangle. Katabi nun. Ito to. Open in Ads Manager. Yan. Click mo yan. View payment methods. And then what you're gonna do is select if you're gonna use a prepaid payment method or a credit card. Ano po ang gagamitin niyo, Sir Christopher? GCash, Paymaya.
GCash
Oh,
lang,
sige.
coach. Mahirap
Okay.
yung credit card eh.
Okay, click add payment method. Yun o. Ito.
This one.
Yan, add payment method. And then, tama yan, Philippines, Philippine Peso, Asia Manila, click next. And then, select GCash. And then, click next. And then, ready mo na yung GCash app mo sa mobile phone po mo ninyo. Okay, just put 1,000 pesos. May laman naman siguro.
Sandali, coach
Sige
parang
lang.
eh.
Sige lang, check mo lang kung magkano.
100 lang muna, pwede ba yun?
Sige, okay lang.
Test lang naman eh, no? Test lang.
100 pesos kung tatanggapin ni Facebook, siguro naman tatanggapin yan. 100 pesos muna, yan. Click next. Okay? And then, mareredirect ka sa GCash. Okay, go to GCash. And then, dun sa mobile phone mo, sa GCash app mo, meron dun QR code. Babarilin mo yung QR code na nasa harap mo. All you need to do, I'm gonna stop sharing your screen. Open your GCash account.
Okay, wait
And
lang.
then, doon sa front, meron kang makikitang QR code.
Okay.
Then, yung QR code na yon, babarilin mo yung nasa harap na QR code na nakikita mo.
QR code, okay.
Yep.
Ay, 101 na lang din pala natira dito.
Sige lang.
Sandali
Nasa gitna yun sa baba, yung QR code. Click mo yung QR code, meron lalabas na camera and then barilin mo yung nasa harap.
Yan, binabaril niya na.
Yun. Target ba? Tinamaan?
Ano Continue.
Yes. Continue mo lang.
Okay. Yun. Payment. Pay 100.
Yes.
Done.
Done? All right. Awesome. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head over to my business manager. Okay? Wait lang pala guys. So, di ba yun yung first pala na access you via email? This one guys, I'm gonna teach you how to gain access only the assets sa loob ng business manager. Please share back your screen, Sir Christopher. Click mo lang yung done. And then, give me remote control access. Okay, the second way of getting access to someone's business is by asking them to send you the ad account ID. So, ibig sabihin, ad account lang yung hihingiin ninyo para magkaroon kayo ng access doon sa ad account po nila. So, what you're gonna need to do, Sir Christopher, is to copy this ad account yung nasa taas ito. So, copy mo lang yung number, ito lang yung number na to, and then send it over dito sa chat box. Copy. And then send sa chat box. Yung ad account. Kasi magigain ako ng access using ayan. So, I'm gonna stop sharing. Now, assuming guys na ikaw ay media buyer and you want to become a full-blown or full-fledged digital marketing agency owner, what you're gonna need to do, the proper way of getting access to your client's ad account is by just asking them to share the ad account ID
Sila na yung
para
account, no? Hindi
Wait
mo na
lang,
share yan. Add account na lang isi-share mo.
wait lang po pa-mute po muna guys. Sana yung aking business manager? Wait lang. Virtual 5 Solutions. Okay. So, teka muna. Bukas ba to? Okay. So what I'm gonna do is, let's say for example, I am the digital marketing agency owner. Here's my business manager account, and I'm gonna add Sir Christopher's ad account ID and inside my business. What I'm gonna do is click the business settings. And then go to add accounts. And kukunin ko yung sinend niya sa akin na add account ID dito sa chat box. Copy and then click add or request access to an ad account or add an ad account. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is your request access to an ad account. I'm gonna put it here, paste, and then full control, confirm. And then request send Barleybiz ads. And then I'm click assign people, and then I'm gonna assign myself here. Assign. Okay, and then done. So you can share your screen back, Sir Christopher, para alam ninyo kung saan hahanapin ni client yung request na na-send ninyo. Share back your screen, Sir Christopher. And then give me the remote control access. Okay? Dito marireceive ni client po ninyo yung request na sinend po ninyo. Itong sa baba ng security center, yung request na button. Makikita nyo dito, i-request. Since ano tawag dito? Nabigyan na ako ng full business manager access ni Sir Christopher, kaya hindi na po siya lumabas dito. Pero dito nyo po siya makikita, and then just accept and then approve. Alright? And then makikita nyo din dito sa partners, dahil nandito na ako, ayan na siya. Okay? May access na ako sa kanyang business. So for this time, re-remove ko muna yung sarili ko kasi ito naman yung gagamitin nating example ng third way of getting access. Kasi meron tayong iba't ibang paraan how to get access. Now, assuming lang na wala pa dito yung aking business manager, what I'm gonna, si Sir Christopher, ang gagawin niya ay partner to share assets with. Give them permission to work on your assets so they can help you manage page or ads. So pwede rin gawin ito ng mga businesses, yung mga may business manager po dito, yung mga businesses po dito, if they want to share access to an advertiser katulad ko. Halimbawa, gusto mong ipamanage yung ad account mo or yung business mo or yung assets mo, this is the way to do it. So click the add button and then insert the partner business ID. So what I'm gonna do is, give up ko muna yung remote control, and then I'm gonna send Sir Christopher ng business manager ID ko. Okay? Kukopyahin ko muna yung business manager ID, and then I'll send it here, Sir Christopher. Copy the business ID na nasend ko sa chat box and place it there. Okay? Paste and then click next. And then just select the I am worldwide na yan. Tapos scroll down ka sa gilid. Yan, tama yan. Everything. Muna. Sige, save changes. Sige, save changes. Click done. And that's how you're gonna give access to a digital marketing agency if you are a business owner. Saan ko nakuha yung business ID ko? Give me a remote control access, Sir Christopher. I'm gonna show you guys kung saan ko nakuha yung business manager ID ko. Dito nyo makikita yung business manager ID nyo sa business info. Ito po siya. Okay, yan po yung isi-send ninyo or ng client ninyo sa inyo. Okay, if you are a media buyer. Alright, okay ba tayo doon? And then, yun yung pangatlong way of getting access to someone's business or assets. Magkakaiba po ang IDs or yung assets ID. Okay, so I'm gonna share my screen. Kunyari itong pages. Okay, iba po ang page ID ng page mo, iba rin ang page ID ng Instagram mo. Wala akong Instagram dito, but magkakaiba po sila, may sarili-sarili silang page. May sarili-sarili silang ID. So you can also get access to their pages by just asking them to send you the page ID, which is this one. Okay? So hindi mo na kailangan ng Meta Business Suite para magkaroon ka ng access doon sa kanilang page. Okay, dito pa lang sa Business Manager, you can already ask permission by just asking them the page ID. Okay, malinaw tayo doon? Now, itong Business Manager, guys, is like a subdivision. You treat them as a, para siyang subdivision. Okay, gawa natin siya ng drawing. Okay? Ano ba ang itsura ng isang subdivision? Para siyang townhouses. Okay? Ano ang itsura ng townhouses? Magkakadikit po na bahay. Ito po siya. Ayan, dikit-dikit po siya. Yan po ang itsura ng inyong business manager. Ito pong mga nandito is mga bahay na dikit-dikit. Okay? The way you can be able to gain access to these assets is kailangan mo ng susi doon sa mismong business manager mo. Meaning, yung nasa taas na yan po yung inyong main office para po mabigyan po kayo ng access sa ad accounts, sa page, sa Instagram accounts, sa WhatsApp accounts, etc. etc. Kasi naalala nyo kanina, binigyan ko yung access ko, binigyan ko yung sarili ko ng access even if I'm already inside the business. Okay, kasi for those of you guys here na aspiring media buyers, pag sinabi sa inyo ng client po ninyo na nabigyan na kita ng access sa business ko, but you cannot, kumbaga hindi mo nakikita yung ad account niya, ibig sabihin po nun, hindi ka pa nabibigyan ng access sa ad account niya. Even if nabigyan ka na ng access sa buong business manager po niya. Okay, ganun po siya i-check yung ganun po siya i-consider yung business setting. So all you need to do is to click people and then what are the access that you want to give to this user. Okay, kasi magkakaiba po ng access po yung makailangan mong makuha every assets po na meron ka sa business settings mo o yung business manager mo. All right. So, that's the how to create the business manager from scratch and how to add the payment method from scratch. Now, I'll be answering a couple of questions sa chat box. And let me go back here. Kung meron pa akong hindi nasasagot dito sa taas, but I think I've already answered the questions. Okay. Yan, si Sir Gian Carl, Meta Business Suite, again, nasagot ko na to kanina. Pwede pa share ng Telegram link. Sige, I'll be sharing the Telegram link again para maka-join kayo sa ating official GC. Yung mga questions nyo guys is dito sa Telegram po natin sasagutin. Okay? Then, kung hindi nag-work yung link sa taas, try this link sa baba. Make sure na mobile po ang gamit nyo or cellphone ang gamit niyo kasi hindi kayo makakapasok. Okay? Or magkakaroon ng error yan. Si Sir Edward, Coach, matagal ko na po ginagamit ang personal account ko in running ads. Nasa 200K na po ang nagagastos ko. Pwede pa po ba ako gumawa ng business accounts for running ads? Nasa MLM and Realty po ako. Sir Edward, yes, pwede ka pa rin gumawa ng business manager. ingatan mo na lang na hindi ma-restrict yung personal ad account mo kasi again, kapag na-restrict yung personal ad account mo, mahihirapan ka mag-create ng business. Or hindi ka na makakapag-create ng business and masakit man isipin, alipin po tayo ni Facebook. Hindi po natin kontrolado kung ano yung algorithm na gusto ni Facebook. Okay? So, kailangan po mayroon kang sariling business. Okay? Alma Conde, kapag face-to-face po ang training po, saan ang venue? Thank you. Ma'am Alma, based po doon sa anong tawag dito, sa pool na ginawa ko, for those of you guys na gustong mag-join sa face-to-face training, meron po tayong upcoming face-to-face training by April 19 to 21. Okay? If hindi pa kayo member ng Digital Homey Academy na Facebook group, please join here. Okay, dito sa link na to, and then once you're able to join the link, makikita nyo po itong survey. Actually, send ko na nga itong survey na to. Okay, send. Okay, ito po yung survey or yung pool. Basically, nakikita namin dito or nakikita ko dito, Quezon City po ang gusto nilang venue. Tentative dates is April 19 to 21, pero most likely mag-go tayo sa date na yan. Okay, 3-day face-to-face Facebook Ads Intensive Workshop po yan. Meron po tayong specific GC for face-to-face training. Nandoon sa baba ng comment section. To those who are interested in joining the 3-day face-to-face, may ibang GC po dyan. Click nyo lang po ito using your mobile phone and mapupunta po kayo sa GC po na ito, yung face-to-face GC, face-to-face training. Okay, ito po yung GC ng face-to-face for those interested. Okay? And then, meron pa po tayong anong tawag dito? Early bird promo. You can use early bird dash F2F upon checkout to get 1K discount. Tapos dito po yung teka lang para at least yung mga interested lang. Ito yung link, yung sa face-to-face 3-day intensive. Ilalagay ko na rin dito para meron kayong link. All right? Now, next question. Hopefully nasagot ko yung tanong mo, Ma'am Alma. Pwede po ba gumawa ng ad account sa ibang business manager? Yes. Sure, pa kanya. You can create as much as you can for as long as na Facebook compliant yung mga ads mo. Okay? Paturo ako ng one-on-one. Ronald Hing, kung within Quezon City ka or malapit ka lang, preferably join ka na lang sa face-to-face para maturuan kita ng buhol ka pa. Okay. So kung one-on-one, Sir Ronald, just go to my website, click mo lang yung online courses, and then hanapin mo yung one-on-one Facebook ads 5-day intensive program. Okay? Click mo lang dyan. Or message me directly. Okay? Buhol ka pa pala sa malayo. Okay. Teka muna, natabunan yung ibang questions sa taas. Wait lang sagutin ko yung nasa taas. Ano sample, Ma'am Christine? Ano po yung mga sample reason bakit nare-restrict? Hindi ka po compliant sa ads, which sa ads mo, meaning you are anong tawag dito? Halimbawa, nasa MLM industry ka or nasa health and wellness niche ka, you cannot say specific words na magbibigay ng anong tawag to, restriction kay Facebook. Let's say for example, Halimbawa, nagbebenta ka ng slimming coffee or something. Sawa ka na ba sa pagiging overweight mo, something like that? And then that premise will give you ibaban ka ni Facebook because of that premise. If you want to learn more about how to become ad compliant kay Facebook, meron po yan sa Junior Strategist na lesson. Okay, meron kayong access dito. Click yung beginner's guide na lesson, and then makikita nyo po doon the Facebook advertising guidelines. Meron po doon guidelines para hindi po kayo nare-restrict kay Facebook. Okay? Panoorin nyo yon kung ayaw nyong ma-restrict po yung inyong business or yung inyong ad account. Okay? Nasagot ko na yata ito kay Ma'am Alma. Coach, pag face-to-face training, saan po yung venue? Probably Quezon City. Most likely talaga Quezon City kasi yun yung majority ng votes. So, join ka lang dun sa Telegram link sa baba, dun sa comment section para updated ka doon sa pag-uusapan kung anong venue. Okay? Next is, anong tawag dito? Custom cakes but VAs to so 1 and 2 po ako. Okay. But VAs, okay, 1 and 2 siya. Okay, good. So, coach, matagal na po ako gumagamit ng personal account running ads. Nasagot ko na to. Karil, hello. When creating business manager account, will the location affect where the ads are shown in the future? For example, kung taga-Philippines but yung target market is US, will the ads posted in the future only be shown sa Philippines? Depende po sa targeting po ninyo, Ma'am Karil Mahinay. Kapag sinelect po ninyo yung targeting, yung geo-targeting, kung US po siya lalabas. Kung Philippines po siya lalabas. Don't worry po kasi magkakaroon po tayo ng lesson on day 3. How to put the geo-targeting location, how to put the interest targeting doon sa ad account po ninyo. Okay, magkatackle po natin yan on day 3, Ma'am Karil. Don't worry. Promo code na bigay ko na, Ma'am Crisola. Sir Jake, is it possible to transfer the full ownership of FB page to another FB profile account? Yes, possible po, Sir Jake Simon. Okay, just head over to your Meta Business Suite. Ando doon po yung settings. Okay? Copy coach. Hello, I just came in. May copy po ba ng recording today which I can watch? Yes, Ma'am Lulu Evangelista. Again, all you need to do is to head over to my courses, digitalomi.net, online courses, 5-day Facebook Ads Challenge. Nandiyan sa taas yung, nandiyan sa chat box yung promo code. Okay? O kaya you can message me directly. Okay? Yung recording po ba today ma-upload po agad? Yes, Ma'am Irish. Good evening, Coach. Bali, I'm using personal Facebook account po na mas okay po ba na via Gmail po pag-create ng business account? Kapag nag-send ka ng verification, dapat Gmail account ang gamit, Kim. Okay? So, wag yung Yahoo mo. Kung Yahoo ka pa, wag mo yung gamitin mo. Okay? Florante, anong location nyo? Ano po to? Again, Sir Florante, if you have questions like this, do not send me screenshot. Please send a Loom video inside the Telegram GC for me to have a brief context of what's happening inside your business. Kasi if you just send me a screenshot without a proper context, I'm lost. I cannot give you a specific answer to your question without sending a Loom video. Okay? So, yun po yung rules po natin sa Telegram GC. Just send a Loom video. But if parang straightforward naman siya, Coach, ano po yung ibig sabihin ng, let's say, CTR, then that will be answered directly. But if you're having a problem doon sa inyong account, send a Loom video. Okay? Anong location po ng F2F? Nasagot ko na to, Ma'am Selena. Quezon City probability, basta within Quezon City. Maggie, yung payment method ko po, hindi po mabago kasi nakaset siya sa dati as credit card ngayon hindi na siya gaya ng mga bago FB accounts. Pwede i-incorporate e-wallets. Nawala po yung dati kong credit card. Nag-try na ako mag-reach out sa FB pero ang sagot sa akin lahat daw ng old created accounts. Kung nakaset as CC lang talaga option sa payment. Kaya nakapag-ads po ako ngayon through my kasi na sinad. Pwede mo namang i-remove yung credit card, Ma'am Maggie. No, meron dong option. Pwede mong i-remove yung credit card. Ito kasi si ano naka-manual, anong tawag dito, naka GCash. So pag nagpunta, teka lang, hanap ako ng merong credit card ang gamit. Pwede mong i-remove yung credit card. Ito disabled naman to eh. So okay lang. So share screen ko. Ma'am Maggie, ito disabled kasi. Punta ka lang dun sa payment methods mo. Click mo yung 3 dots and then wait lang. Ito click mo tong 3 dots and then remove. Kasi halimbawa, kunyari nagkakaroon ka ng payment method issues, nagfe-fail yung payment method mo, punta ka lang dito sa payment method mo, click the 3 dots and then remove. Okay?
Coach,
Hopefully,
pwede ka mag-unmute. Kasi yan nga po yung ginagawa ko. Kaya lang, unfortunately, meron kasing balance siya na 1K, which is pwede ka namang bayaran. Kaso, hinihingi niyang mode of payment again is credit card. So, before ko siya ma-remove, kailangan i-settle ko muna yung remaining balance under my account. Pero pag yung cousin ko naman, hindi nare-read yung balance nakakapag-adds po siya.
okay, di ang gamitin mo, mag-add payment method ka ulit. Kung hindi mo ma-remove yung old payment method mo, add payment method ka. And okay, kapag ka nalagay mo na yung bagong credit card info, di magiging dalawa na sila dyan, di ba? And then, select this one again and then makikita mo kung sino yung gagamitin mong primary or secondary. Kasi meron ka lang magiging default credit card kasi yung nandito kasi isa lang yung credit card na meron ka. Pero pag naglagay ka pa ng other payment method, okay, magiging dalawa na yun and then Facebook will ask you which one will be the primary payment method. Okay?
Yes, copy, Coach.
Okay. So I hope that answers your question. Next is, baka may alam kayo work around coach. Okay. Si Ma'am Maggie rin to. Coach, magbibigay ka din po ba ng sample ads for other business like MLM and realty sa 5-day lesson po natin? Yes, Sir Edward. That's gonna be on the 3-day, on the 3rd day. Okay. Magsiset up po na tayo ng campaign from scratch on the 3rd day. Okay? Ano po advantage? Si Ronald, anong advantage na disadvantage gamit ang business suite at Met Business Manager? Disadvantage po is probability po na masaselect nyo doon sa Meta Business Suite is more on engagement or yung boost post. Kasi ang default po ng boost post is engagement. So wala kayong full control ng buong settings kapag ka boost post po ang gagamitin po ninyo. Okay? So mas maganda po is yung Power Editor o yung Ads Manager po ang gagamitin ninyo. May I know how to access po sa GC ng Telegram na ibigay ko na po, Ma'am Selena? Please click the link dyan sa chat box. Okay? Coach, yung sa your account, di ba dapat personal account yon? Nag-add kasi ako ng business account, din wala ng personal account. Your account, personal ad account mo, dapat hindi ka na nagra-run ng ads. Just go, find the recordings nitong lesson po natin. And then you'll get an overview which is switch. Okay? Which is the personal, which is the business. Okay, kapag nakikita mo yung account mo, yung name mo sa Ads Manager, that means you are using your own personal ad account. Question, Miss Joy, I'm selling products na available sa US. What's the best way to run ads po sa USA? Then select USA. Okay, the geo-targeting, select USA. Again, day 3 po natin yan gagawin. Nag-install po ako ng Telegram sa phone. Bali ay paste ko po ang nilagay niyo, sir. Hindi po. Kapag meron ka ng Telegram sa phone, just click the link na binigay ko dyan sa chat box. And then you'll be able to join the Telegram. Jason, ano po ulit yung code para ma-review ang recorded video nitong training? Again, ito, 5, DC11, and Junior B11. Yan. Yan po, Sir Jason, yung promo code. Same situation, I can't settle the outstanding balance because FB doesn't allow me to replace unless I settle the... Maglagay ka ng bagong credit card to use the primary payment method ng bagong credit card mo na nilagay. Sir Jake, okay? Bakit po kaya may hindi ma-select na post pag nag-ads lalo na sa pagsa-sales? I'm not sure. Send me a Loom video, Ma'am Christine, para at least masagot kita ng maayos. Coach, come again, mas maganda po ang Ads Manager po kaysa Meta Business Suite. Yes po, Ma'am Evangeline. Okay, use the Business Manager o yung Ads Manager para po makapag-run kayo ng ads. Kasi yun po yung ituturo ko from start to finish. Meron po bang sample campaign in this training that would direct the user to a website? That would be on the Senior Specialist course or the 100 pesos Facebook ad strategy. Okay, but I can give you an overview on how to place the URL ng website sa day 3, Ma'am Irish. Okay? So don't worry, I'll give you that sample. Coach, mas effective po ba ang FB ads compare sa boosting? Kailan po ba dapat gamitin ang boosting? Not necessarily mas effective kasi meron namang nagbo-boost na nakakakuha sila ng sales. Kaya lang, hindi nila na ma-maximize yung kanilang boosting kasi limited sila sa options. Okay, yun yung pagkakaiba ng boosting sa Ads Manager. Okay, kasi pag nagbo-boost ka lang, ang default po kasi nun is engagement. You'll learn that lesson tomorrow sa ating day 2. Okay, the Facebook auction and the campaign objectives. Malalaman mo po yan, Sir Edward Lazo, tomorrow. Okay, I'll be answering last 3 questions. Coach, medyo may na-reception ko now. I need to leave. Okay. May recordings po. Okay? Magkano po bayad pa one-on-one coaching, sir, through online po? Sir Ronald, that's 15,499. Okay, just go to my website and look for the one-on-one coaching session. Okay, and then how much po coach yung face-to-face lessons nyo sa Quezon City? That's 10,499, Sir Edward. Meron po tayong early bird promo up until March 31 lang po siya. Less 1,000 po siya kapag nag-join po kayo ng pag ginamit nyo po yung promo code na earlybird-F2F. Okay, less 1K pa po siya. Okay, and then kapag nag-join po kayo sa face-to-face training, you'll get all my courses as well. Okay, ano makukuha mo sa face-to-face training? 3-day intensive face-to-face Facebook Ads workshop. Hindi kayo lalabas ng venue na hindi na pa-publish yung inyong campaign. Okay, hindi ako papayag na aalis kayo ng campaign. Hindi ako papayag na aalis kayo ng face-to-face 3 days intensive workshop na hindi nakapublish ang inyong campaigns. Para at least pag naghiwa-hiwalay tayo ng day 3, makikita nyo na po yung data ninyo sa Ads Manager, and I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to read the data. Okay? And then you'll also get bi-monthly coaching sessions live after po ng face-to-face. Ibig sabihin, twice a month po tayo magkikita. Mayroon tayong live training again, sundot doon sa inyong natutunan ng face-to-face. Plus, you'll also get all my courses. Okay? Yung ginawa ko for the 2 years na training, makukuha nyo lahat yon. Installing the pixels, creating your landing page from scratch, integrating ng mga apps, etc. etc. Okay? Coach, anong day ang analyzing the data after ng running ads? Sir Benedict, that would be day 4 ng ating training. Okay, and then day 5, I'll be teaching you the Facebook Ads Calculator, how to compute or how to calculate the metrics sa inyong Ads Manager dashboard. Okay? Sir Jake, saan course kasama yung FB Pixels, tracking and landing page? May bago kasi policy si FB. you will get that training inside these courses. Sa senior specialist course, okay, senior specialist course or 100 pesos Facebook ad strategy. Ano ang pagkakaiba ng iba? If you want to upskill, bagay sa itong senior specialist. Itong senior specialist kasi recorded trainings na lang siya. But if you want still a live training session with me, itong 100 pesos Facebook ad strategy ang isasuggest ko sa iyo. Kasi ongoing live training session po ito up until makumpleto ko po yung course outline po nito, magiging recorded na lang din siya kamukha ng senior specialist course. Okay? 3,499 pa lang siya ngayon. Kapag nakumpleto ko yung course outline nito, magiging 5,499 na po siya. Okay, kung kailan matatapos yung course outline, hindi ko po alam kasi ongoing training session hangga't hindi po natatapos yung landing page creation kasi Funnel 5 po yung gamit ko dito, hindi pa siya matatapos. Okay? Pag natapos na yan, kung kailan, yun, magiging 5,499 na siya. 5,499. Alright. Sana nasagot yung tanong mo, Sir Jake. Sir Dennis, Coach, kapag ganito po ba, hindi na po ba ako makakapag-run ng kahit anong business ads? Kapag ganito, Sir Dennis, you're not allowed, this is because you didn't comply. Ibig sabihin, mukhang hindi ka pa permanently restricted. Okay? Kapag hindi ka pa permanently restricted, you can still submit for another review. Pero pag sinabi ni Facebook na you are permanently restricted, goodbye na yan. So, hindi mo na talaga siya magagamit. Okay? Ma'am April, Coach, just in case hindi maka-join but want to buy all the courses, may package po ba yon? Yes po. Yung, if you want to, kasi ito guys, yung digital scientist kasi na course is 10,499. But you can get the digital scientist kapag nag-join ka ng face-to-face. Okay, ibig sabihin, makukuha mo to. Sorry, yeah. Pag nag-face-to-face ka, hindi lang yung one day, one-on-one. And then the senior specialist course. Plus, you'll also get lifetime membership na rin siya. And then, you'll get bi-monthly coaching sessions. Pag nagpa-handle po kami sa inyo ng business ads namin, magkano ang monthly payment? As for now, Sir Ronald, hindi po ako tumatanggap ng ad management. Okay, I prefer one-on-one coaching or face-to-face, mas maganda. Actually, I'm thinking to accept an ad management in the future, pero hindi pa sa ngayon. Medyo kino-consider ko ang ad management ko kasi ang client ko lang is abroad. Hindi ako nagpapa-ad management dito sa local. Pero pinag-iisipan ko na rin kasi ang daming nagme-message sa akin na gusto nilang magpa-ads. But let's see. Tingnan natin. Okay? Magkano po yung senior specialist, Sir Benedict? That's 2,499. If you want to upskill, if you are a media buyer or aspiring media buyer, you want to upskill, the senior specialist, yun po yung ibibigay ko sa yung option. But if you want, for those of you guys na gusto ng strategy, okay, yung 100 pesos strategy ang best po sa inyo. Okay, Visayas area kaya di kayang face-to-face. Probably sooner or later kapag pwede rin mag-iikot tayo Visayas and Mindanao naman next time. Pero for this one kasi, this is gonna be the first face-to-face na gaganapin natin. So, dito muna sa Quezon City. Coach, paano po gumawa ng business account? Please review this session. Okay? Doon sa dashboard mo. Okay? So yun, how to review the session? Just go ahead, go to digitalhomie.net online courses, 5-day Facebook Ads Challenge, click that one, and then use the promo code para ma-access mo. Okay? Sir, may promo sale or discount po ba tayo sa senior specialist course? Wala po. 2,499 po siya, Ma'am Sir Emil. Okay, Emil Yuri Lorena. Okay. So 2,499 lang po siya talaga siya. And then yung 100 pesos Facebook Ads strategy 3499. Magiging 5499 po siya in the future kapag nakompleto ko na yung course outline. Alright. Yun lang guys. I'll see you tomorrow at exactly 7:30 p.m. I'll be outside. Siguro hindi ako masyadong clear by tomorrow sa audio. Just make sure na hopefully kasi nasa labas ako eh. So I'll be having a meeting with someone. So I'll be using my laptop. Hopefully yung internet ko tomorrow ay hindi masyadong mag-lag. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow at exactly 7:30. Check out your emails and I'll be sending you the Zoom link at least 15 minutes before the live training. See you guys tomorrow and thank you so much for this evening. See you, and if you have any questions, just message me on Telegram or do sa GC. All right, thank you so much and bye-bye.